Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can connect Mailchimp to your WordPress profile. So it will then easily integrate Mailchimp with WordPress video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to come over here into the WordPress dashboard. Once you come over here, then you just need to go to the plugin options. Once you click over here, then you can easily add plugins here. So if you want to add Mailchimp plugin in here, you just need to search the plugin over that place by the keyword. Once you go search it here, then you will get to see the Mailchimp plugin in over here. You just need to be install that one, and here you can see additional plugins are required, that is WooCommerce. So you can install that one, and once it will be installed, you just need to be activated that one, and it will take a couple of minutes to install the plugin. So we just need to be keep patience here, and once it's done, you just need to click to the activated. Once it's done, then here you can see that it will call you to connect the account. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, it will give you the options to connect the Mailchimp account in that place. So here you just need to provide all the things and just click to the login, and once you are logged, then it will be connected here easily. So an account with the user already exists but has not been activated. Check your inbox spam folder. Okay, we just need to check it. Okay, then go to the login, and here there is a problem. There recover your password, so we just need to recover our password. So come over that place and let's recover our password. Let's select this one and just click to the verify and reset password. And the account has created to Google, please to Google. And okay, I understand what is the problem. So return to the login, and once you come over here, then click to the continue with Google. Once you click over here, it will give you the options to connect your account in here, and here actually you can see it already been connected over that place. And here you can see connect your store, see revenue data, click on WooCommerce. Once you click over here, now easily you can connect that one with your WooCommerce or WordPress platform. So here actually you can see browse app and integrations. So I just want to connect that one. I will click on browse app and integrations, and here you just need to click on integrations. Once you come over here, you just need to search connect apps. It would be WooCommerce. Here you can see that the WooCommerce one, just select this one, and you just need to click on connect. Once you click over here, it will be connected, add to store and Mailchimp for WooCommerce, and it will be added to your store within a second. So the process is really simple. I hope now you understand how easy the process was. You just need to click on current account and then click on connect, and you just need to be add to store like this way. You just need to copy this one and then come back that place. So the process is very simple. Again, come back to the plugin and click to the add plugin. I will going to add this plugin and my platform, so I will search this one, Mailchimp for WooCommerce, and once it's done, then you just need to add this plugin in here. So here you can see Mailchimp for WooCommerce already been added in our platform. So I will come back to the Mailchimp here and just click to the create account, and here you just need to log into this account. Just click over here, and here it is in the logging phase, so we just need to keep patience here, and once it's done, again try to log in, and there's maybe a problem we're facing. So the process is really simple. You just need to connect, and it will take to the review sync setting, and you just need to confirm the account, and it will be connected here. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Until then, have a good day.